Toyota's electrification leadership spans decades, and its vehicles are proof of this mastery. Its newest electrified powertrain complements its current lineup, which include hybrid, plug-in hybrid, and fuel cell electric. This battery electric system blends responsive performance and zero emissions all in one exceptionally versatile package. Let's take a closer look and see how this innovative powertrain operates. Unlike a hybrid, plug-in hybrid, or fuel cell system, which include a combustion engine or a fuel cell stack and a fuel tank, a battery electric powertrain makes use of a single or multiple electric motors and a high-capacity battery. Press the push-button start and the system comes alive, much like Toyota's other electrified systems, activating the onboard computers, known as ECUs, that regulate and control the powertrain. These ECUs also control and maintain charge on the 12-volt battery located under the hood, which is used to power vehicle lighting, windows, door locks, and other similar features. On the other hand, the high-capacity battery powers up via the system's main relays. These send power to components that require high voltage, ensuring battery power is switched on safely upon vehicle startup to avoid spiking any element of the system. In the event that a fault or collision is detected, the system main relays power down safely to isolate the high-capacity battery and turn off the high-voltage cables, which are color-coded in bright orange. Unlike hybrids, battery electric powertrains use motor generators exclusively for motivation. Since there is no internal combustion engine or fuel cell stack, motor generators are the only source of motivation. In two-wheel drive vehicles, one motor generator powers the front wheels, while all-wheel drive models use two of them, one mounted on each axle. This means that each electric motor powers the front and rear independently, allowing for improved power management at each wheel. Unlike an internal combustion engine, which generates power across a power band, electric motors respond right away when the driver presses the accelerator and are able to generate maximum torque from a complete standstill, resulting in smooth, lag-free power delivery. Equipping a BEV with two electric motors not only provides extra power, it also helps better manage traction through the precise control of power delivery when driving in inclement weather conditions. Plus, the power from the second electric motor, which is routed through the rear wheels, enhances the vehicle's handling and grip in the dry. Finally, just like Toyota's other electrified powertrains, battery electric systems are capable of energy regeneration. When coasting or braking, the traction motors work as generators, recapturing wasted energy and turning it into electricity, which is then stored within the high-capacity battery. In addition to the normal drive selection options, Toyota BEVs have a regeneration boost mode, which provides increased regenerative braking and greater deceleration levels when lifting off the accelerator pedal, resulting in more energy being recaptured while reducing the need for the driver to press the brake pedal to slow the vehicle down. Battery electric powertrains are further differentiated when it comes to charging. Like a plug-in hybrid, they can be charged via a level 1 charger like a 120-volt household outlet, or a level 2 AC charger that outputs 240 volts. An onboard charger converts alternating current to direct current, allowing the battery to be replenished to 100% charge overnight through a level 2 charger. For faster charging times, BEVs can use level 3 DC fast chargers found in public spaces. Since the onboard charger doesn't need to convert electricity to direct current, the battery can be recharged quickly, usually reaching 80% in an hour or less under ideal conditions. However, electricity intake slows down after 80% to further preserve the battery's durability. So that's a closer look at Toyota's battery electric powertrain and how it combines responsive performance with zero emissions. As part of Toyota's efforts to move toward its Beyond Zero vision for a carbon-neutral future, battery electric powertrain helps set the standard for electrified mobility going forward, giving consumers more ways to reduce their carbon footprint with an electrified system to fit their lifestyles. Be sure to check out the other videos in this series to learn more about Toyota's electrified powertrains. To explore the full electrified lineup from Toyota, visit toyota.com/electrified.